my friends, yes, it's Wednesday's Word Day. Well, as always, we're ready for that next fantastic word. And let's see what it is for this Wednesday. The word for this week is tabor. It's a noun, and it means a small drum, a drum beaten with one stick to accompany a pipe. So it's tabor. It's a small drum, a drum beaten with one stick to accompany a pipe. And what did the bard have to say about this word? If you did but hear the peddler at door, you would never dance again after a tabor and pipe. Okay, so that's our word, tabor. A small drum, a drum beaten with one stick to accompany a pipe. All right, happy word making. See you next week.